We've got some breaking news into our show here from Capitol Hill. The House of Representatives just passing a bill moments ago that would change how Congress certifies presidential elections. It passed mostly along party lines, with 9 Republicans siding with Democrats. And if you're going, well, wait a second, why does this matter? The whole point of this bill is to prevent another January 6th from happening again. And so when you look at the vote totals here, what's interesting is that the 9 Republicans who crossed party lines here, they're not returning to Congress next year because they either lost their primary or they're retiring. You see House Speaker Nancy Pelosi announcing the vote there. So here's the deal. This bill that would, again, stop another January 6th from happening by kind of cleaning up this really old elections law, it now goes over to the Senate. There's a similar plan floating around the Senate. There are some discrepancies, so now they've got to kind of hammer out what's good, what they don't want, what they do want, et cetera. Again, all meant to close the loopholes that former President Trump tried to use to overturn the legitimate 2020 election. It would make clear the role of the vice president in the whole certification process. It would increase the number of lawmakers it would take to object to a state's vote count, and it would stop states from changing their rules after an election was called. We're keeping an eye on this as it makes its way through the other chamber in Congress.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.